Are you interested in growing and creating these partnerships, but you're nervous or scared on how to implement things? Have you heard the horror stories and you don't want things to work out in a negative way? Have you partnered with somebody and gotten burned on the transaction or the deal? Today, we want to talk about 3 things that you can do to help minimize your risk and minimize the negativity that can come when doing a partnership or a joint venture in the real estate industry. My name is Matt Teifke and I'm with Teifke Real Estate. If you find this content valuable, please subscribe, comment, like our channel, share it with your friends, and let's dive in. Number 1, you have to understand who your partners are. You've got to really dive into what are they about, what is their past experience, check their references. I personally go as far as checking their background and their credit score. You've got to understand who you're getting in business with because it is, in a lot of ways, a marriage. Yes, it may be one transaction, but you might do 100 transactions. So really vet them out and understand who you're getting into business with. The number 2 thing to be cautious is communications and understanding your role. When you're jumping in, sometimes it's hard to understand exactly what's going to play out and exactly what everyone's going to do. But try as much as possible to define the roles. That way people understand you're doing what you agreed to, they're doing what they agreed to, and everyone kind of just gets it and we're rolling. Number 3, you have to make sure to have everything in writing and have an agreement in place. Most of the time you're going to either create a partnership or an LLC or a joint venture. So these are contracts that need to be put in place and need to be filed with the Secretary of State. You also need to have an operating agreement that defines the roles that I talked about earlier. So operating agreement and the efficiency of creating the entity are critical. To sum it up, check the background, understand who they are, define the roles, understand the roles, have all the agreements in place. These 3 things will help tremendously when moving through this process with new partners. And hopefully it will be a successful venture and you can do thousands of these, hundreds of these, and you keep rolling. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Matt Teifke with Teifke Real Estate. We appreciate all your support. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and reach out anytime. Hope you guys go get some deals today.